The way the economy is looking right now, baby, it's like most of us are on a tight budget. Very, very tight. Not only tight, compressed, squeezed, folded, like the budget is it's screaming because the budget is so dry. Like even kilishi, soft past the budget. You know how dried kilishi is. Kilishi is cow meat that is so dry, literally no moisture. The budget of this economy right now is beginning to look like and actually suffocate somebody. Oh my god, baby, it's crazy. And sometimes less is not actually more. Okay, but we move because we're still here, we still have to move. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to practice self-care on a budget. Okay, so if you are on a budget, very tight, compressed, squeeze, like your budget is screaming, then continue watching this video because yeah. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gloria, and here I create videos on self-love, growth mindset, personal development, all the yummy and juicy stuff. So if that is something you want to see more of, make sure you like, comment, share, and you subscribe. So yeah, let's just dive right into the video. And the first thing you need to do if you're on it, how to practice self-care on a tight like kind of budget, is to put yourself first. Okay, put yourself first, especially if you have friends or family that are constantly clinging onto you and trying to suck the little blood that you have inside your body. See, put yourself first, because at the end of the day, if you do not put yourself first, when the consequences come, when it comes, nobody's going to share them with you. Okay, you're going to be standing alone at the end of the day. Okay, let's say you get a certain amount of salary at the end of the month, and the money that you're supposed to use to stock your fridge or to stock your kitchen or to keep for your upkeep and all, you give that money to somebody else. Then what do you do? Like, what do you do at the end of the day? What do you do at the end of the day? Like, how do you take care of your own self at the end of the day? I know it's good to be selfless, it's good to help people and all, but when you cannot, like when you're handicapped, you cannot help somebody else without without pulling yourself down, without leaving yourself in the trash. What do you do? Put yourself first. Just put yourself first. Okay, put yourself first. You get why? Put yourself first. Baby, you get why? Okay, you get why? Just put yourself first, especially if you're on a tight budget. There is no space. That budget is so tight that there is no space for somebody else to fit into that budget, and it's only you're the only one that can fit into that budget. You know that you do not earn so much to carry the burden and the load of family, friends. Like, you cannot come and kill yourself. Okay, you cannot kill yourself. If it is what it is, just put yourself first. This is how you survive and practice self-care on a tight budget. Number 2, do not go beyond your means. Baby, do not go beyond your means. Nobody do pass yourself. Do not buy, especially skincare products that you cannot consistently afford to buy every single time. Buy skincare, even if you have somebody buying skincare product for you, like, make sure that you're buying something that you can afford if that person is no longer there. Okay, this is how you practice self-care on a budget. Well, on a tight, don't forget that the budget is very like very, very strong. Okay, very, very tight. So you need to make sure that you're buying what you can afford. Do not go and be buying what somebody else is buying. Oh, you want to be like that person when you know very well that you cannot afford this thing. How you want it, Corona? Baby, how? Number 3 point on how to practice self-care on a tight, compressed, decomposed or kind of budget is to stop feeling entitled to other people's money. Why are you feeling entitled with money that is not in your bank account, or money that is not in your pocket, or money that you did not work for? Why? Stop feeling entitled to other people's money. Yes, I'm talking to you. You, they're looking at me right now. I'm talking to you. Stop feeling entitled to other people's money. It is not your money. If somebody chooses, to help you or, do something for you, they're doing it out of their own will and, the kindness of their heart and all. Do not come and be, feeling entitled. Yes, like, even if you're in a relationship with that person, you're not entitled to that person's money. Okay, stop having that entitled mentality. it is really, 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 really not good. Okay, you, instead of you to sit down and start, calculating how you're going to manage the little money that you have, the things that you're going to let go, the things that you're going to prioritize, you're there sitting down and calculating another person's money in their pockets, money that is not in your pocket. Baby, come on. Does it sound okay to you? It doesn't sound okay. Stop feeling entitled to other people's money. This is how you practice self-care on a budget. You need to be realistic with yourself. Okay, you are broke. Okay, we are broke. We're all in this together, but we'll be fine, okay? We move, baby. Don't worry. Four is to practice DIY tutorials, okay? I know they say a lot about DIY tutorials means do it yourself tutorials, okay? Instead of, maybe going to get your nails done, somewhere, or going to get your pedicure, manicure done, or going to get your facials done. Like, there's so many videos online that teaches you how to do this at home with ingredients that you have in your kitchen, things that are easily, accessible, for a very lesser, on a budget kind of, price. It's not going to cost the arm and leg. I know that people frown on DIYs a lot, okay, because there's so many tutorials out there that is actually not good for you. There's so many tutorials out there that are actually quite dangerous, but there are also so many tutorials out there that is actually good. So you just need to research, research if you're on a budget, research for DIY tutorials, and engage in a lot of DIY tutorials if you still want to pamper and take care of yourself. But God, it's so sweet when you just go and sit down and they're just touching your hair, they're just washing your hair, touching your nails, like, oh, baby, the feeling is so sweet. I get it, but you know that we're on a tight we're on a tight budget here. So you need to do it yourself until when the budget is no longer tight, DIY tutorials. My last but not the least point on how to practice self-care on a budget is to stop seeking validation or seeking approval from other people that are not living your life. If something is making you happy, no matter what that thing is, if you as a man, you say you want to wear G-string and pants, no problem. It is, if it makes you happy, please, by all means, my love, okay? If it makes you happy, we're not judging you, okay? We don't judge, okay? If that is what you want, fine, go with the flow, do what makes you happy. Baby, anyways, like, for real, if it makes you happy, in all honesty, I know you've heard this before. In all honesty, from Gigi in Big Brother Nigeria house, I love her so much. The day she got evicted, I was so sad the day she got evicted. But yeah, for real, in all honesty, like, do those things that make you happy, okay, without looking back. Do those things that make you happy without looking back, baby. Okay, because it's your life. Don't let other people come and live your life for you. Okay, don't let other people make you feel like you're strange, make you feel like you're weird, simply because you like something. Like, everybody cannot be the same. It is not just possible. We cannot all like the same things, we all have different things that we like. I know sometimes you might like things that are out of your budget. I know. Okay, I know that feeling very well, baby. Like, you might like something that's out of your budget, but like, just cut the budget, find scissors, cut it down to something else that you enjoy and like and doesn't cost much. Everybody wants to live large, everybody wants to enjoy life, everybody wants to enjoy the things at the finest level and the highest level of life. I get it, but when you're not there yet, okay, you're not here yet, okay, this is where you're at, so you need to make do with what you have here right now till you finally climb slowly and get to that place that you want to get to, so yeah. Just do what makes you happy. Stop thinking about what the next person is thinking, about what she's thinking, because baby, guess what? People are going to judge regardless of what you do. So you might as well do what you want to do. Do what makes you happy, because you're still going to judge. If you say you're going to bite more than you can chew, then by all means, okay, like, it's your life. Just do do it. At the end of the day, the consequences is going to be on your head. Nobody's going to carry the consequences for you. It's just like, as a woman, when you engage in intercourse with a man and you get pregnant, nobody they carry belly for anybody. Now you they carry the belly yourself. Oh, perfect example. Now you they carry the belly yourself. So yeah. Oh, that sounds it sounds so cool. Like, now you they carry the belly yourself. So yeah. Do what you may with the information that I've given you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time, same time next week. And yeah, bye bye.